I'm going to show you my legs and eggs from school. So I got out of my classroom. I'm in the car. Next by my school. So first we're going to start with the blue one, because that's what it says right there. Okay, look at the eyeballs. Outer mask. The first one, Jesus rode on the donkey. So you can see the donkey right there, and I paint his nails. I paint his nails blue because I want it to be blue. And then the next one is going to be pink. Let me just close this up. There, just click. Make sure your eggs don't click, please. If they're not, your candy is going to fall out and then you won't get to eat it. The next one is a coin. So, this color, it's from the story. So, some who love money more than Jesus.
Oh no, eso no está bien, ¿verdad?
Yes, and here's the coin. You can see. I do it like this color piece. That's how coins are. I painted all of them. And then the next one is violet, my favorite color. And pink's my favorite color. Okay, so this one is when Jesus died on the cross. Put that there. So this one, it says number 3, and it says Jesus said, "This is my blood." But it's not blood. It's not real blood. And then Jesus said, "This is my body." But it's not real. But he didn't take a bite of his body. He just grabbed blood. See right there. So So I just leave it like this. I just color it black, all black. There's the egg. Let's put it back in the egg. What's that? Oh no, that's my best friend Riley. Oh no, Riley! I met what's her name again? Okay, I'm just going to concentrate. I have a plate just on.
Gloria?
No, not Gloria.
Maggie.
Maggie. Okay, now this is probably. So it says, number 4. Jesus said, "Is there another way to do something?" And he was praying. So this is the praying hands. You can see right there. I painted it. I always like painting it. Put it back in. Bye, Riley. I mean, not Riley. Oh! Okay, guys, I'm so sorry that my mom paused it because we had to move in the school, and these are the eggs that I already told you. So next, it's this one. Jesus died on the cross again. Okay, so this is a whip. I painted it too. Okay, so the whip. So the soldiers didn't be nice to Jesus, and they whipped Jesus like so hard, like this, in the back, and blood came out in the black. Jesus wasn't happy, and he didn't whine, he didn't cry, he didn't do nothing, and he just didn't do nothing. So that's the next. That's the other one. So hot. Okay, the next one is yolk. Let's The next one, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one is the 6. Okay. So it says here. So the soldiers said this. Oh, why is Jesus? If Jesus has sins, they need to wear a crown. But the crown was not made of diamonds or gold or coins. It was made out of thorns. And they put it on his head, on his forehead, and then blood came out. More blood. Okay, that's the third one. Okay, now on the second thing. Oh, that's a creature. Okay, now, starting with this one, it looks kind of pink. The next one is a real nail. So guys, if your teachers teach you of these, you gotta be very careful with the nails because it might poke you and blood may come out. So this is the next one. The soldiers put him on the cross. So, do you know how they put them on the cross? They have a hammer and then they grab their head, grab the hand of Jesus, and then they put the nail in. And then they put the nail in again, and then they put the nail in the feet too. And Jesus cried all the way to his body, and and God was up there too. Okay, then the next one. The next one is, it's not pretty bad, it's just a dice. That's not bad, it's okay, but it's not going to be bad. The story's not going to be that bad. It's just Jesus. It's fake. Okay, and then they will play the game for whoever could grab Jesus' clothes. And he does have swells. It's not funny. Well, it's a little bit funny, but not funny. Okay, so they play a game and they play a game and whoever could get Jesus' clothes, and he does have swells. Like the other ones who died on the cross, like that. God, somebody else, who's your dad, whatever. Okay, that's that one. Okay, let's go next. Okay, this is, I don't know. So, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it says 9. The next one is 9. Mommy, call the raid. Okay, anyways. So the next one is also. So it says here, Jesus. They take him out of the cross. They take the nails out on the cross, and then they put him in a rock cage, and there was a bed there. It's a comfy bed. Okay, and then they grab a sword and then said, "Get in there! Come on, get in there!" And then that's it. So this is the one. Okay, I color it too. It looks pretty cool. It looks a cool story, but it's not cool. Okay, and then the blue one, it's kind of dirty. It has hair. Maybe it's from my dog. Maybe he's in my backpack. No. Okay, so this is this. So he didn't have underwear on. He had this around his butt. I'm going to cry. And when my teachers told this story, Gloria cried because she didn't think it was real, but it was real. So that's it. And you can see it's comfy. Feel it. It's comfy, right? Okay, the next one. Okay, this is... Ooh, looks like candy. No, it's not candy. The next one is the rock. Okay, so you already know this one. They put him in the rock and they said get it. So you already know this one. You don't know. And my teacher forgot that she said, wait, did we do the rock one? Yeah, I guess so. And then he see this girl's a rock. Now this one. Wait, I can't hear nothing. It's nothing! Okay, guys, do you know why there's nothing in this egg? Because Jesus is alive. He's in heaven now. Okay, so actually, the sword one wasn't the rock. Okay, they just put him in the rock, and this sword one wasn't the rock. So it says for real life. I was pranking you. So it says for real life that they were checking if Jesus was dead, and then they pooped, and then they cut him, and then he was dead. He was, but he's not dead. He's still alive. So that's why I joked at you. Guys, I hope you like that story, and have fun at Easter. You'll get a lot of cake. And remember, Jesus died for our sins and us.